Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will share you exactly one of the coolest feature of ChatGPT of how it can understand images or workflows and then make a presentation out of this. So here's a very complex image where one of the things which is client attraction mind map. As you see, this image has got many things here. So a lot of moving parts here. There are so many things is added. Now I want to see if ChatGPT, I can upload this to ChatGPT, and if ChatGPT can understand this image and give me a presentation. So here I go. So I uploaded this to ChatGPT. So first I tried to upload a PDF, and then it says there is some issue. So I uploaded an image itself. So now I have uploaded the image, and then I asked, specifically asked ChatGPT, read this mind map and create me a 10 slide presentation that I can give to my audience. All right. So now it started saying, thanks for sharing the mind map. I've reviewed the content and now will outline a 10 slide presentation based on mind map, it said. Suddenly it started giving me an outline. Initially it gave me an outline, slide for credible strategy, profitable niche, offer and messaging systems, continuous learning, conclusion and call to action. So this outline is extremely good, and it's very much relevant to what I was looking for. And then I asked, okay, do fill the slides with minimum 5 bullet points and also any quotes to highlight and some images, suggestions for the slides. So what it did is suddenly it started giving me a bullet points for each of these slides. Look at the bullet points. It's so good. It's able to capture the essence of each of these points, and also a good quotes it's giving. And then there is some suggestion on the images also. And then finally, as you see, it made a complete 10 slide presentation. And then all I asked is make a PPT or PDF for me to download. It gave me a download, and then it was not working. I asked again and gave me an actual download. And look at the download also. If you really see the download, so this is the download it is able to create me. Now you can rework a little bit on the images and make this into a very good PPT and make a presentation directly to anybody. So this is what is happening with ChatGPT. There are so many things that are happening. It is so fast. So if you're not at using ChatGPT fully, then it's a time to use it. You cannot ignore. And if you really want to learn something, how to use this ChatGPT, how to go behind what is this AI, what's the mindset you require on the AI, then join my free training. Click the link below and join my free training where I am sharing you a lot more details, exactly how to leverage ChatGPT and start really creating a transformation in your business growth and sales growth. See you. Thank you very much.